Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna be getting some awesome games that are on special right now. But anyways, right now, if you guys want to search for a game, just open up your app, go into home, so that's the left one. The middle one would be your profile. That's gonna be on the top and bottom of your phone. Depends which phone you guys have or tablet that is. And then you guys can search, which would be right here on the search tab, just for search for that game. But if you guys want to see the top games and just see what's going on there, well, on the left hand side, all the way on the top, you should see that shopping bag. Tap there, and then from here, your sixth option should say top selling. Tap on top selling. These are the ones. These are the ones that are most popular and they cost money. So it's not gonna be the most popular one because most popular could be a free one. These are top sellers. So right now, we're gonna take a look at Arizona because it's really cheap, 65% off. Why not? So we're gonna go on and just tap on $13.99. Then from here, it's gonna take us here. It's gonna say our total. It's gonna say method of payment. So that's how you guys know how you're paying for this. In this case, it's gonna be my Quest Cash. You guys can choose anything else like PayPal or anything else you guys have there. Quest Cash is good for me, so I'm gonna confirm this. And here we go. So right now I got it and I can refer a friend. So if you guys are buying this, you guys can just use my link to get that 15% off. So you guys can pay even less. Or if you're not getting this on time when I'm getting it so cheap, then you guys can at least get that 15% off. So I can tap on refer a friend and then you guys should be able to see the link here. So here we go. Here's the link. So the link will be in the description of this video. So make sure to check out that link or just copy it right now. It's right there. And that's how you guys can get that 15% off. If it tells you that I need to follow you back, just follow me, send me a message here on Meta. I'll just follow you back. That's what I've been doing the whole time with anybody who wants to use my referrals. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.